Alrighty, welcome back to Arduinos. We're going to go ahead and do the uh, circuit number 2. As you can see, I already have mine set up. Just followed basically the instructions on the little deal here. It's the same as the first LED, except this one has multiples in it. As you can see, right here I have my high, which is the orange, which is going to go to my 5-volt power supply here. This is going to power the or give the positive voltage on that board there. As shown before, it's really not going to affect anything if I pull it out. All it's there for is for later on, but other projects and such, I guess. But anyway, so here's that circuit setup. You got the black going into my negative ground here. So this is going to be my low side. And then each one of these LEDs, the anode is wired to be away from my camera here, and then the cathode, the negative side, is actually here closest to us. And you can see what I'm actually doing is I'm putting voltage in here, is going through the positive side of the anode, and then goes up out of the cathode through the resistor. Otherwise, if it didn't have that resistor there, it'd be pretty bright. We'll see if we can increase this one. So it's not making good enough resistance there, but anyway. So what this does is it just goes, the Arduino's program to tell it to go turn each light on in sequence and keep them on and count down, or count up rather, to the top one. When this one gets on, it stays on for the brief amount. Once that's done, then it counts back downward, and the whole time it tells it to keep the lights on, then to one after another in sequence turn the lights back off. The way that looks in the program is, I'll just scroll up here. You can see, and I'll take another caption here in a minute and add it to this video. But what happens is where that little box is at, where my mouse is scrolling here, this area right here, it just tells you the time delay. Right here it's set for 100 milliseconds. So what I'm going to do is just show you what happens when I take that down to 20 milliseconds. Now I'm going to go to my actual code here, change that to 20, and then hit the upload. Now you can see here, as it's uploading, a lot faster. And this is Arduino. So we gotta have good music. As you can see, I can just vary the time a little bit. I'm gonna slow that down quite a bit. Just made that 820 milliseconds. As you can see, it's just going to pause that 820 milliseconds between each one of these, turning it on in sequence every 820 milliseconds, counting up, then counting down. And that's it. Alrighty, thank you very much.